On a flat parcel of land in rural Ontario, Canada, about a few hours' drive from Toronto, sits South Bay House, a single-family seasonal home. Its north-facing site offers expansive open fields, blending with groves of coastal trees, which served as the basis for the house's architectural concept. Instead of creating a single, long volume, StudioAC divided the house into 3 living bars that converge and shift across the site. This configuration creates a wind-protected outdoor microclimate while selectively framing selected views from each angle. In terms of materials, the interior is dominated by natural plywood, while the walls below the roof are painted white to highlight the artwork. The spa-like wet area uses contrasting tiles, creating a tactical visual and textural transition. The exterior is clad in a single gray stained wood to emphasize the architectural forms and shadows. With a large glass facade extending from floor to ceiling, the interior is more deeply connected to the outdoors. When seated at the dining table or sofa, sight lines unobstructed by structural barriers focus attention on the landscape, blurring the boundaries between indoors and out. The spatial approach was also conceptually overhauled. Instead of the usual landscape orientation, the house rotates the rectangular grid so that the short sides are shared between spaces, not the long ones. A 48-foot x 12-foot prototype living gallery extends the facade toward the view, creating a more intimate visual distance to the landscape. The roof is formed by 3 mirror-like shed structures, converging above a central living bar. This form creates a connected canopy that provides protection from rain and sun, while simultaneously silhouetting a dynamic topographic landscape, like a rolling prairie or a distant mountain range. Despite its seemingly complex form, the South Bay house's design foundation adheres to familiar vernacular proportions and shapes. Its uniqueness stems from the interplay of intersecting volumes and a close dialogue with the landscape, resulting in a house that not only frames but also blends in and responds to its natural surroundings.